this hope inside me. So pretty obviously losing trade.
Holy dang.
He's trading through dookie cheek ass, consolidated ass price section.
What the fuck is this?
Already blew my account.
It's not returning because he already blew his account. Now, how are you still in the trade? What's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, welcome to day 3 on Lightning Funded Tradeify Challenge. You feel me? Well, the Tradeify Lightning Funded. You feel me? If you got, I forgot to update you guys yesterday on that trade from the 50 to 300. I actually got $200, close to $200, about $196 on there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Boom, so you can see, look, $194. All right, so that's where I'm at right now. 191 right now. Today, what I'm looking at is a potential GU buy or potential EU buy. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting on that PMI news at I think it's in 42 minutes, right? So I'm waiting on that Chicago PMI news, especially because EU is just range bound right now. I was looking to buy it after it ran out the Asia low, came into this hourly FEG, right? New day opening gap too. I want to see if we can start trading up towards that current new day opening gap and maybe previous daily high, because I am bullish on EU. I do want to see it get up to Monday's high or weekly open price. All right, GU already did this thing. GU dropped a lot lower than it should have, right? Than what I was expecting. But now we're getting a little bit more displacement out of GU, right? I like this FEG that's being created right in here, right? And there's also SMT with EU at these lows in GU. In dollar. So I'm thinking about maybe buying GU somewhere inside of here. But I'm waiting on EU to potentially just get outside of this range, displace out of here, right? Once we start getting some displacement out of here, then I'll be comfortable with potentially buying GU, right? But I'm waiting on that news. With indices right now, I am bullish indices, but at the same time, it could go for Thursday's low, and maybe not. I don't think Wednesday's low, but maybe Thursday's low. I don't know. It has to get through some PD arrays anyway, but I'm leaning more on bullishness anyway. So what we did was we came up into this FEG. I would rather see it like run through this FEG right here. We did come up right here at 830. I don't really trust these lows. I would rather see one more run below maybe the 830 low, 7 o'clock. All these lows right here, I don't trust none of this London low. I don't trust it. I think this could go bearish today, just from looking at it. The 4-hour looks like it could easily go for the previous 4-hour low too as well. So today might be a bearish day when indices. ES already took out the previous weekly high, right, as you can see, but NQ didn't. So it's a bit of SMT there. I'll probably wait on some SMT to the upside. I would rather get in closer to midnight open price, which is up here. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for right now. GU, either a GU buy or EU buy, depending on what that news does, or I'll lock in on indices. But I'd rather lock in on EU and GU because I think I could get a better read on it. Or I just sit on my hands for today. You feel me? If it really doesn't look right, like right now, it just doesn't. It doesn't look. It's been in a range, right? So it doesn't really look as probable to get up to the previous daily high right now with what price is doing. Maybe after some displacement, right? Some displacement out of this. Maybe another run, come down to this new day opening gap, and then a displacement through this one, and then maybe I'll buy it to the current new day opening gap and previous daily high. GU, like I said, GU does look better, but I'm waiting on that news. It could come and run out these lows right here that came into this daily constant encroachment of this wick. We've been ran out the previous daily low with GU, right? Been ran it out, so it's SMT there. I'm just waiting for displacement. Once displacement happens, then I'll be comfortable with getting into a position. But yeah, we'll see. All right, so I don't with GU, right? So GU ran lower again. So you can see how we took out this high, right? and then we created these FEGs all in here, but it's not a buy, right? Even though this FEGs here traded through the new day opening gap, whatever, old new day opening gap. This is not a buy here because EU is not ready. Like EU is not even ready. EU is not displacing yet. All right, and to confirm that SMT, right, I need EU to displace here. But now that SMT, the intraday SMT is gone. Yeah, we ran out the previous daily low already with GU, but now that SMT on an intraday time cycle is not there no more. Because if I would have took this shit right here, it would have been wraps. Straight to the gulag, you feel me? But yeah, so I'm just waiting. Bro, there's no way EU goes up from here and like goes to all of my targets, bro. There's no way. Not all of my target, but like, you know what I mean? And new day opening up. There's no way. You know what I'm saying? If it does, bro, I'm already setting a boundary with myself that I do not take this shit right here. I don't care if this displacement right here and there's a FEG that really ain't no FEG to me, inefficiency to me. It should be, it's all a balanced price range, you feel me? So like I want to see some FEGs open if it starts expanding, but I'm not comfortable with taking that anyway, especially because look, GU, it left relative equal lows now. Hold on, let me go to dollar relative equal highs now. So if we do drop from here, I don't trust this as a high. I don't trust it. I'm gonna wait for that news that's in like 25 minutes. The news about to drop in like 3 seconds. So far, I don't like how this look. So I would rather see it run lower first. If it runs higher, then, because this is ugly. Dookie cheeks. Straight dookie cheeks. It might just run higher. NASDAQ and ES is running below these lows right here. I think NASDAQ already ran below those lows. Yeah, it's already at weekly open price at the current new week opening gap right now. This looks like it could go for Thursday's low. You know what I mean? That's how it's looking right now. The only thing is, it's so far away from midnight open price that in my rules I cannot take a trade right here. Like even if this was to run back up into this fair value gap right here, I'm not taking this trade to that new day that previous daily low because it's too far. You know what I'm saying? So this is how it's looking right now. It's looking like low ain't about to get a trade today. And that's okay, you feel me? Did GU run out this low to the T? Or am I tripping, bruh? Yeah, I don't like these relative equal lows right here. Price is coming up to this FEG right now. See how it plays off of here. Off of this 15-minute. I'm going to leave this gap here, though. If we can't even get through that and displace through that gap, what makes me think it is going to get up to the opening price, midnight open price, or any higher, back to previous daily low for GU, right? EU didn't run out the previous daily low yet. It's just like, I don't like this price action. Like, this is straight time. This got to be time distortion. This has to be time distortion. Yeah. Iffy. Anytime it start looking iffy to me, bruh, that's when I'm just, no. That's like a boundary. Just a no. Nope. But yeah. I'm going to wait to see what ES does in the next, I don't know. Maybe, hold on. Let me see if NASDAQ already ran out previous daily low. Maybe it runs out previous daily low. This is the last day of the month. To be honest with you. I can't even tell you what it's gonna do. Like, is it gonna go back to the monthly open? There's a lot of daily lows just like stacked up all in here, and it's coming from a weekly volume imbalance, right? Failed to run out the previous weekly high, but ES did. You know, these lows are looking more so sus to me. Even before, right? Even before this run, Lord, the lows just look sus. I'm thinking that price could retrace like this. It could retrace like this, come into here, and then boom, right to the previous daily low. That seems ideal. But like I said, man, rules keep me in check. Even though that looks juicy, this looks great. This looks like it could happen maybe at 10 o'clock. Right at 10 o'clock, we just open, come up, come into this FEG right here, and then we go to the previous daily low, right? So that's something I'm going to just watch. let it play out. You feel me? Accept that I'm gonna just miss out on that move, even though it can happen. Because like I said, the rules keep me in check, and if I take this trade and I get burnt from it, it's not gonna feel good. So that's why I'm gonna stay out. Hey, look, and there it goes without me. You feel me? With EU, no FOMO. I ain't got no FOMO. I'm not even trying to. After this displacement, I'm not even trying to buy in here or buy whatever here. Like, I'd rather just sit out. Even though this was time distortion, it looks like it was time distortion. I'd rather sit out on this move here. You know what I mean? And let this go without me. Even though it's below midnight. Midnight open price is here too. Yeah. So it tapped right into midnight open. Ran up. I don't know how far this is gonna go though. And any pullback retracement in here, I'm not confident in buying. GU, like you can look at GU's like not much displacement, relative equal lows still. Dollar, yeah, dollar's running away from that new day opening gap, but how far is it really gonna run? Now that it's at midnight open price, you know, dollar, is it still gonna go down from there? You know what I mean? ES, looking at ES, like I said with ES, that previous daily low is the target. It's just going without me. Today is looking like a no trade day. It's very much looking like a no trade day. All right, yep, that's crazy. Time distortion kept me out, bruh. Kind of tricked me a bit. You know what I mean? Thinking that it was gonna be another run during that 9:45, but this was the run higher. But this is okay. This is something that's okay for me to miss because I could just journal this and journal the price section and what happened. I'm not gonna lie, if this happened again, I wouldn't take the trade again. I still probably wouldn't take the trade, but maybe over time I'll start catching this might be time distortion, and then I can enter off of a PD array that's like somewhere in here, like this down closed candle, these down closed candles with this FEG on the 1 minute, and maybe my stop can go there. But at the same time, I still probably looking at it after the fact that it's moving higher, I could say that, but before this even happened, I would think that price was gonna potentially run these lows out, run this low out, and then possibly go lower. You feel me? So it is what it is. NQ and ES already hit its previous daily lows too. So previous daily low, boom, previous daily low. So no trade for me today. Let's do a reaction. All right, y'all. So today we reacted to Mr. Dumore here. Bro, fuck trading. I did a recent reaction to him. You know, he's taking the signals from other people and he's fucking like basically capturing it all and putting it on YouTube, which is such a dope idea. I really fuck with it and really entertaining type shit. If you're new to my channel, just know that I do all my reactions with y'all. I don't fake the shit. I have never seen this before, and I like watching this shit together. You feel me? So let's do it. Let's get right into it.
Might as well just hit sell at that point. Obviously, we've got to wait for a setup, but
Order filled.
Why are you gay?
we don't trade above that today.
I tried, but it didn't work.
Trading through
Damn.
a daily gap. Fucking daily.
Bro, he got memes and niggas sharting on
For
people.
the 1 year for rally gap.
I might go ahead and put this at break even
Damn.
Perfect.
now. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm going to actually
Nah, I had them in shock.
just close that
Nah, closing it right. Why? But Riley, why would you? You know what?
trade.
That's a great plan.
2-minute delivery. Potentially.
He probably got in late. Hold on, let's get right into the video. He be putting a lot of shit in the beginning of his videos that it be long as hell.
Anime, movies, games. Bro, 300. You can basically join to this Discord chat.
All right.
Really cool. Without any edits. So I'm editing video after my job. Fuck. And yeah, that. Trying to push my
Off. See, this
All right, let's go. Here we go.
I
good videos.
very rarely. Should we do a little poll? What does everyone think?
Here we go.
Poll.
Hey, I'm getting free mentorship because we got Riley. We watching Riley. You know what I'm saying?
Poll. I could be wrong, but I'm saying this shit just longs off open.
Rylo knows everything.
Let's see. This is gonna be a fake move, bro.
Yeah, no volume.
Might as well just hit sell at that point. Obviously, we've got to wait for a setup, but
Order filled.
Why are you gay?
Looks very nice. Looks very juicy.
straight to that on 15.
Was very juicy.
15-minute gap. Pretty easy read. We'll keep
Pretty
going.
easy.
This shit about to
Until we
fake
get
him
it.
out.
We don't trade above that.
Break
today.
even
I
though.
tried, but it didn't
Hey,
work.
break even though.
All right, let's see what happens. First 5 minutes, kind of got that little manipulation right there. 930 high available right now. Might be manipulation around there. Would like to probably see it break out if it can.
There's
we are
no
still
news.
taking liquidity. Like we've taken 930 low, but we haven't taken 930 high yet. So that's something that's still on the table. Trading through it.
You know, like he need to just start writing shit down, like whatever he's saying, like write it down or like mark it out type shit. But whole time he is editing his own video and recording it, so it kind of is like journaling. You feel me?
4 hour gap daily.
Through the 1 year fair value gap. You can't trade when it's ranging like this.
This 930 high is like literally the target. I would be very shocked if we don't grab that. I'd have to start back testing again. I'm not gonna start back testing again. Don't
Bro, I'm telling you right now, bro. If Dumore take a fucking Mamba FX type of trade, bro, I'm crashing out.
need to. Data's too accurate. Two things: we either find a reversal that price ends up reversing, or we continue long on the day. And I've been bullish this whole day. Still bullish though. How many years is your data? Live trades are only really about 17, 18 months. But I would say that I've probably tested around 6 years right now.
6 years.
And here is the
yeah.
thing, it's really impressive, like 17 months of live trading, it's like 1.5 year plus 6
Did bro just do all that math?
years of backtesting, like bro.
Like I know we traders and we supposed to know math and shit and like good at math. Like I'm just like I wouldn't have never like, oh, how much is 70 years? Oh wait, how much was it? See, I can't even get the numbers. I wasn't.
It's really impressive, like 17 months of live trading.
Who takes 70 months of live trading and be like, oh, what's 70 months of live trading? Oh, that's like
It's like
1.5
years,
1.5
plus
years. Like,
6 years of backtesting, like bro, what the fuck? And even here, it's a good example. You have a lot of years of practice, a lot
Yep.
of years of backtesting, but you still
a lot of years of figuring your shit out.
have pretty bullshit day with minus trades. And I thought it will be like
So he's understanding that even though like you have that much experience, you still have days with no trades or like a bad day.
really quick
He just now catching that? Come on, do
route
more.
to funding.
That's how you know he's new.
Payouts to all that stuff, but it's not working like this. I mean, I shouldn't risk too much. I trust this guy. I trust Riley. I don't know even why. I'm just feeling like this. Plus, one of our profitable traders, he said like the Riley is legit, but still,
Okay,
why?
we blazing Riley. All right, come on. Here we go.
Yeah, it's stupid. It is what it is.
6 years. I didn't
I
expect
mean, we're
actually
still
this kind of.
delivering from this gap, right?
I thought we will close above.
Like we've just taken that liquidity point now. What's the overall win rate? I think it maintained around an 83% with a 10-point break even, but with a 20 by 20, I think it was like 71 or something.
One thing that I really love about
what's up.
Riley is he's honest. I mean, honest enough, I guess, because I don't know if it's 83% of the win rate or lower, but still, what I'm talking about. He said about the percentage of both options. The first, when you close a half of your position in 10 points and move to break even if the price will come back to break even and hit break even, you will have a profitable trade, and vice versa. If you don't have a break even,
Yup.
if you're targeting only 20 points, of course your win rate will be lower. And it's really cool that he said about this, because unfortunately with Mamba it's completely opposite.
yo, he stayed talking shit about Mamba, bruh.
Close his trade with 1-to-1 risk to reward, but if the price will hit 5-to-1,
He like looking at Riley and this like smart money trader that like is actually profitable versus Mamba, who's like straight been capped for like, he don't understand. I know Mamba because I've been in this shit. I've been trading for like 5 years. You feel me? So I know who Mamba is. A lot of us know who the fuck Mamba FX is. If you've been trading for a minute, you know that this man is like straight cap, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, Mamba should just stick to getting fingered in the booty by his girl, bro. Like, and stop doing signals. I ain't gonna lie. But he making money and catching dumb traders, new traders like him. Well, who was dumb. Now he's learning. But, you know, catching the easy meat. You know what I'm saying?
he will tell you that was a 5-to-1.
Thinking that he's
but it's
legit.
not. You close your trade with 1-to-1. I can close my trade with 1-to-1 and then said like, wow, that was 1-to-20. Like, it doesn't make sense. Come on, let's be honest, please. It's one thing that I really love to see. Honest people.
With the 10-point system, it's very hard to not be profitable. There were some months where you kind of had to extend it because of volume and whatnot, but other than that, like, pretty good. Damn, triple equal highs right here, right?
Yeah, triple, quadruple,
Quadruple,
I don't
quadruple.
really pay attention to 5-minute APGs, mainly 15.
All right, go. I'm about to, nah,
it's too
actually,
low
this
of a
shit
time frame,
bullish.
But if you're talking about that one,
This
it's
shit
in the line
bullish.
of
I remember
15.
this is yesterday's price action. He be dropping the videos before the day, like the next day he drops his videos.
Yeah. The worst thing to do right now is force a setup in this rangy PA.
Yeah, that's true. Nothing going on, just ranging.
Usually when the first 5 minutes is like consolidating like this, I'll just wait for macro.
Consolidating.
Which is
Yup.
9:45.
911, call to police or call
Still
to
looking
ambulance.
bullish.
Who wants to break this range, right? I would like to see this target.
Still bullish, though.
Oh no.
I'm bullish until it gets to this high or the M15 UFE.
Nah, bro, tired.
Again. Now we're back again.
That's how I was watching ICT videos, bro. Just straight want to fall, yawning, falling asleep.
That about open my shirt.
Wake up to his ass ranting.
And here we go, bitches. That was free fucking 12 points.
I mean, if you're comfortable financially to be aggressive, then do it. But if you're not, then I wouldn't. It's all about your financial situation. All about your financial situation and your data, of course, like your confidence level. You make sure you're confident in your trading, like you're consistent. Because if you rush to the funded stage where you can't even trade up consistently in general, there's no point.
Bro, he over here talking to him whole time. Whole time we not gonna listen, bro.
Yeah, it's about me.
Probably just quickly spike down, grab this open range low.
Sorry, why do not scalp this shit real quick?
Order filled.
Wait.
Sorry, why do not scalp this shit
Bro, did Riley tell you to take the trade?
real quick?
Order filled.
It's
Alright,
bullshit.
so there's that opening range low gone.
Order filled.
That was
Obviously, because that's at
too late.
9:44.30, so technically it's not an opening range low.
He gonna
so
re-enter
that
it.
one opens
dodge to this level.
way too far. Same with the 30.
I caught it. See, I know traders, bro. I know.
Here is a good example of my strategy. We marked the level, we started to slow down until this level, which means this level is valid. Plus, we had a little bit of green candle, which means we have buyers and not enough sellers. That's cool for me. Plus, with my strategy, I rely on the price action, which means I cannot backtest the strategy. So I'm just watching on the price action. I feel comfortable to take
Ain't no way he just tried to validate that shit, bro.
retest on this situation. But only one mistake that I did in this trade. I didn't realize that I'm trying to target 20 points. In my strategy, I always
Man, you know what? Do
for
more.
this.
Sorry, do
My
more.
model.
1 minute and then
back down.
also.
It's nice candle. It's nice candle.
Oh my.
My
And it's a
model.
negative. He over there.
They are so fuck. It's 20 points.
let's see.
What?
See, look, he could have got an entry right there instead. Like, if he was really bearish, man, just like FOMO'd into that shit.
5.
It shouldn't be 20
candle
points. What the fuck?
created the fair value gap. So
It should.
let's see if it holds in the 1 minute because that's where the true data is.
But what I really like in these trades that I already made, all these trades I closed manually. The
Okay.
first one was
Real shit immediately.
break even, and it makes sense because then situation was invalid. The second trade, when I saw the bullshit price action, I just closed immediately. And the third trade, I opened the trade only with my strategy. But with my strategy, I targeted 10 points. I saw that I'm trying to target 20 points accidentally, and I was like, fuck this shit, and I closed the trade. I love this. It's really interesting. I mean, it should be like this. You should not hold your trade with hope if it's not valid any longer. So I'm proud.
Bro, I say if you taking signals, bro, take whatever the fuck that nigga taking, and get your money and get your return on investment, bro. Like,
Out of myself in this.
A lot of downside.
It should be 2 contracts. Fuck. 15 seconds continuation model. Let's go.
So we're looking at this 30 second as well as this 1 minute.
Alright, looks like Riley will open his trade very soon, so let's do it.
I'm just going to draw a line here, see if this gets inverted as well. I'm going to put a long in the market here.
Order filled.
Once we go 10 points, go break even
If we
in the market here.
Order filled.
wait, so Riley got in that?
Once we go 10 points, go break even.
if we will
Okay.
We're going to be super aggressive since we've had no pullback here with the break even. Since we have no pullback, we should experience a pullback, and I don't really want to. So I might go ahead and put this at break even.
Break even.
Perfect.
So I might go ahead.
See, Riley was kind of like, in this trade, you could kind of tell because as soon as he entered, he said he didn't want to really see much of a pullback. I mean, maybe in his rules, he don't like seeing pullbacks there, and he rushes this shit to break even too quick. But if you enter somewhere here, you're entering here, right? You can anticipate this shit to pull back to this FEG and leave the rest of this open and let this run. You feel me? But maybe that's just not his system. I mean, his rules. You feel me?
Ahead and put this at break even.
But you gotta let it breathe. But you, hold on.
Break even.
Perfect. Everything.
Now. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm gonna actually just close
So
that trade.
That's a great plan.
so
As
hold on.
is.
So he closed it. He closed it here. He probably entered here. Probably closed it here. So around break even.
I didn't get the break even.
You just close.
I'm
the
going to be
trade?
honest. I'm going to sit here and say I didn't get the break even, but I am out of that trade. Close that trade fully.
Do you remember the same situation with the Mamba? But he said that was a break even actually. Like, I remember this moment when I opened the trade a lot better than the Mamba, and then the price just gives a fucking huge pullback, and Mamba was like, oh, it's break even. No, it wasn't break even, bro. That was a minus trade.
Yeah.
But anyway, and like I
He
told
was lying to you.
you, I really love that Riley's honest guy. He could say like that was a break even because that was too fast, and everybody will be okay with that. But he said, nope, I just closed the trade.
Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. I'm about to give me some chips and shit. Hold on. All right, we on my big nigga shit. You know what I'm saying? Lions Bar. My girl just put me on to this. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is fire. Like, this is like a mix between Snickers and Twix. Like, this is kind of fire. And then Kinder, if y'all, there's some like little kid snack types, but this shit fire. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. All right.
Got spiked.
Yeah.
We just got spiked.
Oh shit, I ain't got my
We
headphones
just got
in.
spiked.
Unfortunately, it is what it is.
Close that trade. Do not hold the 20. Lose that trade. Shit, I was about to put that at break even too because it hit the 10 almost.
Shit happens.
Close that trade. Accept that loss. Accept that. That's not our fault.
He's
I
so
did not
calm.
get the break even on that.
That's a nice
We
candle
did
closure.
technically kind of did. Not really. It's too close. I want something more obvious.
Okay. Because we're close here in reverse for value gap.
A few moments later.
Alright, what we are doing in this situation? Actually, I want to mark.
I'm not going to take the IFG. I'm going to take a continuation model.
Here we go.
We just had a 5-minute inversion. There's no way we couldn't be bullish. Well, I mean, there is a way. Certainly is a way. Making highs, making high lows. Come on, give me something.
Give me something.
2-minute delivery, potentially a 1-minute delivery as well.
Delivery? Domino's pizza? Yeah, I love this delivery.
But I'm gonna long if we get that. Alright, I'm about to long if we close above this gap. Alright, I'm long in this.
Makes sense. Me too, Riley. Let's see if we will have some spikes.
Oh, we didn't get the 1-minute closure as well. I'm gonna be honest, I hate this setup.
Thank you.
I actually might be more inclined to close this early and just stay with the bearish momentum here. I'm gonna close this early. I'm gonna trust my intuition here. Close this early. Don't let this trade go into your 20 point range.
He didn't like how I didn't like run through that fair value gap right here, and it didn't completely close through it. So he ended up cutting. Most people would just keep holding it and be like, "Fuck, I already entered. I might as well," instead of just exit, just get out. You know what I mean?
I'm not sitting in this shit. Gonna stop me out.
He's very honest. That's cool.
Fucking worst price action I've ever seen in my life. So I'd rather short this market, if anything. I'd rather do that than fucking gamble along.
So let's go short.
I'd rather just hit sell at that point.
That don't mean go short no more.
Fucking terrible. Yeah, nah, I don't even want to place another. Take that. That's a -7 and a -12. That's 19 points done. If I get a clean setup after 10, I'll take another trade. Other than that, this price action is just, I'll wait till Thursday. I'm happy to wait till Thursday. I'm happy.
Right, let's see what we can do with my tactics. Bearish momentum.
Order filled.
Going here.
This man said, "Let me see what I could do with my tactics." This man wanted to be the main character so bad, and now he about to get side character.
Got you, homie.
Order filled.
Look,
Yeah.
look.
Let me explain this trade really quick. We failed
No, don't explain shit. Don't explain nothing. I don't want to hear it.
to do higher highs over here. This big ass
We gonna still hear him out.
fuck week. Plus we tried to come back to this lane, and then we have pretty nice bearish momentum with this big as fuck candle. The next candle started to go down, and I was here. The target was pretty nice because even if we will fail to do lower lows, we will hit my TP. Plus there is unfilled fair value gap. You can't expect this fucking candle.
What the fuck, bro? Created the equal highs.
Actually, I think it was a 21 point loss.
After this sweep, I really want to see this short. Ah, shit. I'm just forcing the trades, didn't I? Let's do some spikes to the down
Yes, do more. Yes.
side.
No.
I waited for the spike, but it's fucking break even for me.
I definitely should close this trade because this big as fuck candle, it's only break even for me. But like I said before, I had this hope inside me, so pretty obviously losing trade.
Holy damn.
Good. He's
I just
trading
stopped
through
loss,
dookie
like,
cheek
motherfucker.
ass
I know
consolidated ass price section.
I just want to see.
What the fuck is this?
Fuck, what the fuck am I doing, bro?
No, that was funny. I ain't gonna lie.
This is actually probably a very terrible day.
Now he FOMOing in on the buy now.
It shouldn't be like this. I don't like it.
Order filled.
He FOMOed in the buy and then got out fast. Like he's trading through too much emotion right now.
Ah, that's a bullshit spike right there.
I mean, if we close below that, it's a fair value gap continuation with IPG at downside.
I'm going to break even
Why
here.
you ask? Because I told you I'd take 10 trades after 10. If we
Alright.
close below here, I'm going to take a sell. Or I'm selling.
Order filled.
What the fuck is going on?
So I'm sending Apex on this, my funded. I'm not touching my main accounts, my trade evals. Do what you need to do. I'm holding this for 2020.
He didn't 2020. Okay, he doing this.
See, he should have just forgot all about all of those and just took Riley's shit. But now his losses are going along with Riley's probabilities. And now, say Riley loses shit. This is a probability of Riley could lose this one. And now he's eating up more P&L where he could have just waited for this trade. Even if this one worked out, all the other trades that he lost, that was like $800 or whatever, he could have avoided all of that and been in profit today.
In 2020, in the evil accounts, after this spike, it makes sense to go down.
I think we leave today alone.
But he want to do his own tactics. Oh,
Yeah, no. If you're thinking long term, leave this day alone. This day is not it.
It's really cool that he said about the long term, because now you understand that these trades, it's not A+ setup. Plus he said about the evaluation account. One thing that he said is after we open the trade, which is not good, right? But I can close this trade with break even, which I didn't, so I accepted this risk and opened the trade.
Right now, I'm taking this trade so I can stack a trading day on these accounts. I do believe in this short. I'm very confident in this short. With the fair value gap continuation with IPG setup, I'm very, very confident that this could go down. This is why I executed it. But
not in the
because of the
main.
range, it's a little hit or miss where it could actually lead to. It could be a little forced. You could obviously agree with that. You have no confidence on taking a trade, no trades for deep. No, if you have no zero, take a trade. You would have accepted the losses that I would have called out. That's fine. I lost 21 points
Look at this.
on those main.
Look at this support zone. We just
But
can't
leave
break
this.
it.
This is so I can stack a
support zone, resistance zone, consolidated dookie cheat zone. Like,
trading day. Wednesday is not a good day right now. Usually Wednesdays are very, very good. Tomorrow will be much better price action, so don't feel like you're missing out today. There's nothing really to catch anyway.
Only stop losses.
You're goddamn right.
Yeah, I guess I blew my account here.
Price couldn't get worse. Just not
what? He said he blew his account.
This is so I can stack a trading day. Wednesday is not a good day right now. Usually Wednesdays are very, very good. Tomorrow will be much better price action, so don't feel like you're missing out today. There's nothing really to catch anyway.
Only stop losses.
You're goddamn right.
Yeah, I guess I blew my account here.
Price couldn't get worse. Just not good for us, where we kind of do need momentum in the market. Just stacking a trading day. I'm just going to hold 20 by 20. Whatever happens, happens.
Wait, did he just
Momentum
move
in
his
the
stop loss
market.
up?
Just stacking a trading day. I'm just going to hold 20
Okay.
by 20. Whatever happens, happens.
Makes sense.
It's not bad as these longs. I mean, shit, good long. I mean, it created a, what's it called? Inversion. But you should definitely stop it at the 2 losses. I actually hit me out there. It
Already?
actually hit me out. Yeah.
No. Let's go down. Let's go down. Down.
Okay, no, someone hit me out officially there. Mechanic.
You're cooked.
Order filled.
Fuck. Oh, damn, bruh. I almost blew my account. Ah, shit.
Take it. First 5 minutes
Almost
of
blew
the
your
day,
account.
should have just screamed stop
With those huge days he had, the market took it right back.
trading. Took a 21-point L on TPT. Took a 21-point L on TPT. Didn't force anything else. Just traded my funded Apex to get the trading day.
TPT account is main account of Riley, which means he closed the day for the TPT account within one trade, losing trade. I definitely should set up restrictions for my account because I'm an idiot. Like 2 trades with $800 loose each. What the fuck?
I got some shit over
Definitely
here
should
too.
have some restrictions. Like 2 losing trades, that's okay to have, but not with such amount of money. But I'm thinking about to put restrictions like $400 lose, $400 win. And I'm recording this video after Thursday. Today
Yeah.
was a really tough day.
Today was straight dookie cheeks. Well, not today. Yesterday for him. It's a whole new another day.
Not gonna lie, a very fucking sad day. Really sad, like. Never had this bullshit before. Sorry.
He never had this before. He got a long way to go. If this is his first time and he's doing this, he haven't learned yet, so he gonna go through more until he learn. Hopefully he learn from this one. Just to take Riley's trades.
About that, but yeah, it's a little bit spoiler anyway.
Stop trading. Come back tomorrow.
I already blew my account, so
Honestly, the way I performed today, super happy with. I'm very, very happy the way I performed. You're still in the loan, but it's still in the loan. I love it. I'm very happy.
And now answer me, guys, when the last time you was happy to lose the money for the day? Me specifically, never. I mean, there was one day where I almost blew my account and I closed the day with minus $600. I was happy, but it's not count. It's a lot deeper than you think. Or maybe you think in the correct way, I don't know. When you're satisfied with the red day, it means really a lot in my opinion. Because you follow on your strategy and you know you will be profitable in the long term. I know it sounds like an advertisement, like I almost every time told you like Riley is so good and all that stuff. But it's honestly my opinion in that case, because I should learn a lot about trading, bro. Like, I really understand this. I almost blew my account within the 2 trades, which is absolutely fucking crazy, and a lot of really negative things that I'm doing with my account and with myself. So yeah, I definitely should learn from Riley and move forward.
21 points down.
Yo, I don't know why we do this, like, especially us males. Like, bro, you just got into trading. You're completely new. If you're paying for a service for somebody to give you signals and you're in the Zoom with them or you're in the live session with them, just sit down, stop trying to be Superman, you feel me, and follow, bro, and understand what he doing. Not doing your own shit, your own tactics. Not your own tactics, bro. You feel me? Even now to this day, I'm 5 years in. I can still learn from people and take out the meat and spit out the bones. And if I can utilize it, if it goes along with my plan, my strategy, if it's something that I really, really need, I would take that and utilize it. But as a new trader, bro, you don't know shit. I don't care if you 4 months, 6 months, learn, bro. Just learn. You know what I'm saying? Simple. But we let our egos get in the way of becoming great traders or getting understanding the shit early. You know what I mean?
On TPT. So everyone remember that. I'm down 21 points on TPT. So then you can kind of pocket you can kind of track how I'm doing. So if I'm down and you're down, that's pretty, you know, you're doing the right thing. You're taking what I'm taking. So
yeah, makes sense. I blew this fucking account. Over risk. It's a pretty nice sale though.
The mental state to get, we all lost in TJL. That'd be so funny. Because he lost the other 2 days, but then we won, so it'll probably be vice versa now. Actually, hold up, because he trades it ES, doesn't he? Oh, I reckon he would have cooked.
I mean, it's like it's already not over traded.
Because I already blew my account.
It's not overtrading because he already blew his account. Now, how are you still in the trade? Oh my god. Yo, this guy's
done for
funny.
the day. That's a loss. So Monday, Tuesday dubs, minus 21 points today. So I've got to recover now for tomorrow. Get back up 21 points. Do it again. Come back Friday. You know how that goes.
Yep.
Otherwise, I will see everyone tomorrow.
Stop trading.
See you tomorrow. Okay, it is what it is. 2 bullish momentum, and why I'm in the fucking sell?
Because I am
waiting for some kind of retracement. I don't even care like too much right now, because it is what it is. I tried to pass account really fast and it's ended up like bullshit, so it is what it is. Come on. 0.5.
He said it is what it is, come on.
Points
Oh,
my
nah.
fucking TP. That's fucking insane. Yeah, we lost the trade. Not going to force this trade, but yeah, I'm going long here. I would like to see more momentum. That was 400? No? Let's go.
Order filled.
Don't feel press action. What I'm even like scared about? I already blew my account. There is no way that we will come back this. The highest point of the price, I'm going long, so I don't even care.
Order filled.
I don't have to be in this trade. But no pullbacks. Boom. Hit my TP.
He kept Xing out off of FOMO
But I'm not.
instead of just letting it hit.
Trade. What about go short now? After this spike,
And
bro,
then he
I
just
would
tried
like
to go short.
to test this level, but I'm basically
He
fighting
just
the trend.
he's just trading what he sees at this point. Just anything that he sees, any reaction of what he sees, he's acting off of emotion. That's why you gotta have a strict process and rules to keep you in check.
Your wanna goes down like at all after even this spike.
Order filled.
Yeah, I blew my account.
You know what? I can't do it. Hold on.
After even this spike.
Order filled.
Yeah, I blew my account. I mean, over risk. $1,700 just like this. That's stupid as fuck.
We all been there. We all been there. We still have those days. You know what I mean? It's just learning how to be disciplined, and by learning to learn a bit of discipline, you have to be disciplined to your plan. And in order to be disciplined to a plan, you have to have a plan, like an actual plan. You know what I mean? So it's easier to be disciplined when you have a plan, even though you can still be undisciplined with that plan. But that's the start. That's what he needs to do. Get a plan, like an actual plan. And then, you know what I'm saying, try to create discipline through that plan. Or train your discipline through that plan. But yeah.
Very sad situation, but what can I say? Let's go long here.
Order filled.
That's how it looks like this day. Just go long every fucking 5 seconds. We hold this level, so we don't have any volume to goes down. So
He's on
I'm
another
okay to
combine?
open my long here and just do it a little bit to just break through this level. Very interesting. What about some sort of pullbacks?
Order filled.
I took the pullback from the zone of entry. I mean from the zone of level.
Wait,
to
didn't it
break
say he
this
was
zone,
like,
so
wait, did he
okay
just buy a new account?
to have some pullback until this fair value gap. That's a good trade, not gonna lie. This is level, we sweep this level, we started to hold this level, everything is level. So yeah, I would like to see some retracements. That's what I like to see, but we didn't touch my fucking TP. Go to the break even at that point. Let's go down a little bit more. Come on now. 2 points, bruh. 2 fucking points. This candle looks nice, but never mind.
Order filled.
Impressive.
Here going short again.
If we will close above this level, I will open my long here.
I know, because he got stopped out on the sell.
Yeah,
He's
looks
going to
like
go
that
long,
he
flip
wants
it.
to, yeah. And
He
we
does
can
the
goes
flip.
Down, so, yeah.
He's doing the flip strategy through his emotions. Okay, if it hit me out on the sell, I'm going to get buy.
Nice
If
trade.
he hit me out on the buy, I'm going to hit sell. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Will not go to break even. I will not do anything. I will just hold this trade until it win, because it will win.
Are you sure about that?
Order filled.
Now he about to
Order
sell.
filled.
See? Now he about to sell. Now he about to buy.
Order
Now he about to
filled.
buy. See? He's doing a back and forth.
The fuck am I even doing here, actually?
You're doing the back and forth,
Go
bro.
long in the long candle, go short in the short candle.
He getting slutted out on the charts right now. Buys and sells is straight, just slutting his ass out. Like,
At that point, it's just gambling, like, it's fucking insane.
Uh-huh.
I'm even mad to edit this bullshit. In my strategy, I should feel the price, but I should be patient enough to understand what's really going on. If we are just ranging, like, bro, what the fuck are you even doing? The first trade was really nice. Like, the level, we had reaction, okay, that's I understand. But what's going on next, it's fucking disgusting.
Yeah, we just ranging, like, what the fuck am I even doing? We are ranging and I'm trying to take a breakouts. Like, bro, trying to trade this.
Order filled.
What the fuck am I even doing, bro?
Order filled.
Feels like we wants to go down. We won't be able
it's
to
hard.
break
It's
it.
hard watching this because I feel for him. You know what I mean? It's really hard because I've been through the same shit even recently. But it's the fact that he doesn't have any plan to it. You know what I mean? He doesn't have any plan to it. So he's like a headless chicken. Even though we still become headless chickens, even with a plan, it makes it harder when you don't have a plan.
But maybe we will break this zone. I mean, not maybe, very high probability, in my opinion. This is a nice trade, I love this trade.
And I love this trade too. In that case, I waited something around 15 minutes. That's what I usually do with my strategy. I'm fucking wait. We had pretty nice movement to the downside. A lot of red candles, a little bit of green candles. And all that time, I was watching on the price section. I was feel it. I was like, okay, I'm feel here, I'm feel here, I'm feel here. Okay, now I'm sure that it wants to go down. That's how I usually trade. It's just fucking awkward what I did before.
But the one that worked out, he's okay. His mind is like, yeah, that was a good trade because I felt this and I felt that, and because it worked out, it was a good trade. But he don't understand, like, if it didn't work out, he would have been like, he would have felt the same, like, this was dumb. Like, I usually feel the trade, I didn't feel it that time. He's going off of feel, like, you know what I mean? You can't go off of feel. I feel like you have to go off of this, then that, right? Type of process.
But anyway, this one trade, yeah, I love this trade, not gonna lie.
Good afternoon.
Wait, did it stop him out?
Not gonna lie.
Good afternoon.
Wait, did it, wait.
But anyway, this one trade, yeah, I love this trade. Not gonna lie.
Good afternoon.
Oh yeah, and it hit his TP. Yeah, it hit his TP. Because it worked
I
out.
expected this, like I told you, but it doesn't make any sense. I told you something.
After I blew my account.
Very sad day for me. 4 hours sleep.
Yeah, bruh.
I did break with the last trade and the previous one, something around 1 hour. I was waiting for this opportunity because I wanted to close the day with plus $1,000 because it's a valuation account. I hate valuation accounts. So
But I didn't gamble.
when the trader said it's just ridiculous. When the trader said that he didn't gamble today at the last trade, it's just hilarious. Wow, bro, respect. The last trade you didn't gamble. Wow. It's just ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I was waiting for this opportunity like literally 1 hour. This is Riley's trade, Riley's strategy. I was waiting for the continuation model in the 15 minutes time frame, in the 5 minutes time frame, and plus in the 30 seconds time frame, plus 1 minute time frame. When all of this matched, I was like, bro, it's A plus setup. Like there is no way that I will not open the trade. But I was patient enough. I was waiting until we closed below one of the candles. We closed it below one of the candles. But then I was waiting because I wasn't sure in the
Okay.
And
So
later,
what happened?
I don't know. First, always.
Is he just explaining his, trying to
insane.
validate his shit? You know what, bro? I'm gonna just end the video off there. Hey, I mean, he's gonna learn. It's just I like watching traders like new traders that are coming in and they're showing you how they're trading. They're showing you their process of them, their journey and shit. You feel me? Cause I learned what not to do and how I end up going back to that gambler in me. You know what I'm saying? By watching them and watching what they're doing, the mistakes that they're doing compared to traders that are professional, that have made money and pulled money out of prop firms, pulled money out of the markets with ease. You know what I'm saying? Not with ease, but I'm saying how they operate. You know what I'm saying? How they don't take a trade every single day. You know what I'm saying? Some of them do, but they know when not to trade and they know when to trade. You know what I'm saying? And they know how to be emotionally aware of when they're gonna be on tilt and how to stop themselves from not getting to that point to where they're tilting. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. But W video, I fuck with the video. Yeah. I don't know why I'm not subscribed, but I'm gonna subscribe to him. If you enjoyed the video, you feel me, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.